Hey, Mini Tom. Mini Tom, you are first. Congratulations. Pepe, did you get a... Pepe, did you get a new profile picture or something? Let's see here. I think you did. We're going to look this up. I'm going to look up little Pepe here. Welcome. Hey guys, did everybody have a good weekend? I did. I had a great weekend. I'm in a weird headspace right now. I don't feel great today. Today feels weird. I feel kind of sick. So we're going to see how long I can do this whole live stream thing today. Gordon, how you doing, man? Guys, welcome Gordon into the chat. Sweet Pepe, you working on your channel, buddy? All right, let's see here. Let's head on into the live screen. And let's go ahead and get started, guys. So today's going to be fun. We're actually going to animate the enemy. Finally, we're going to animate the enemy. So I'm really looking forward to this. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. So if you can recall, guys, let's try and go through all of the things we've created. Whenever I start working on my game, I like to play through what I've worked on just to get an idea of what's next. Yep, so as you can, for those of you who were with us on Friday, you remember we were working on gunshot wounds. Oh, that's right, we need to actually work on the, like, blood splatter on the body of the Nephilim right here. So, that's what we need to do. Okay. I just heard a weird noise. What was that? Oh, and we also did, we made the gun sort of wiggle when you move, so that's kind of cool. Awesome, Pepe. I like your profile pic. All right. So, what I want to do is I want to try and see if I could do some blood splatter projectors. That's what we're going to work on today. Okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is jump into my Photoshop here. I'm going to create a new file. And I think it's going to be 500 by 500 is fine. So let's just do this. We're going to create some new blood splatter here. We're going to choose an orangish red. And honestly, it should probably be white. So we'll do white, but let's do red for now. Okay? One like this maybe. Hey Ignited, how are you? By the way, guys, there are only 3 promo codes available for today. I'm not going to be... I might be live streaming tomorrow. I'm not quite sure. But today we do have those 3 promo codes available. These always sell out within the first 24 hours of me announcing them. So if you want to join the program, use those 3 promo codes below. use the promo code June 7th if you guys want to learn everything that I've learned in the last decade of making indie games. I've been making indie games full time though for just 5 years, paying the bills with revenue from indie games. And I'm married, I've got a dog, I've got kids, I've got a mortgage, and somehow I'm living the dream. And so I have a 30+ hour online course where I teach you guys everything you need to know to do what I'm doing, or at least everything that I've learned. Can't make any promises, but if you're interested, it's got over 2,000 students, which is pretty amazing. So this is terrible blood splatter. You know what's funny? I feel that inertia right now. It's making me sweat. That inertia of when you haven't game dev'd for the last 2 days, and then you jump onto a stream and you start game deving. I feel it, and that this is a great example of why it's so important to just keep going, keep powering through. And also, I'm feeling the live stream butterflies today, and I don't know why. Like, I feel kind of nervous. Maybe it's because it's hot in here. Hold on. It's really hot in here. Let's turn on the air condition. By the way, if you guys are in the full-time game dev program, if you're in the chat, feel free to say hello. But yeah, there are 3 promo codes available, and these support my studios. See, I'm telling you, I can't talk today. These support my studio and the production of Father. Let's see if I can turn the air on. It's really hot in here. Ooh. There we go. Okay, so this blood spatter looks really bad. Goodness, I'm just not feeling it today. I guarantee you though, in 20 minutes I'm gonna be on fire. Yeah, the upstairs heat is on. No wonder. I'm about to pass out. Hold on. There we go. All right, so this is terrible blood splatter. It's really bad. But blood spatter. Jeez, Thomas. All right, so let's go to white here. Probably need to drink some coffee. All right. It's gonna be. Here we go. We're gonna go to our textures down here. There they are. Let's go to other here. We're gonna call this blood spatter. There we go. We're gonna jump into Unity here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and create a projector, and we're just gonna put him onto the character for now. Okay. So there's our buddy. Okay. The eyes obviously are not gonna look like that. All right, effects, or. Let's see here. Okay, it's gonna be just a blank. I forgot. Just an empty game object here. Okay. There we go. Just put it right here. It's gonna be called. I'm just doing it inside of the enemy for now. Blood projector. And then we'll instantiate it. We'll instantiate it at the normal of the surface. All right, guys. Let's go to the projector component. Not projectile, remove. Projector, there we go, okay? We're gonna create a new material from that blood spatter. Let's go to it. We're gonna type blood spatter. There it is. And guys, I actually like to just create the material right next to the textures. Materials are the one thing in Unity that I don't worry about where they're located. I actually prefer they're just located whatever they're used by. So that's kind of how my brain works with it. All right. So what are we going to do here? We're going to go to... Do I need to create a projector material out of it? I don't think so. I think all I need to do is the sprite diffuse. I believe that's all I need to do. Could be wrong. No, wrong. Well, maybe. Maybe. I haven't done this in a while. Does it apply here? Huh. Interesting. Let's do mobile. Particles. We're gonna do multiply for now. There's our blood projector right here. So let's put it next to our dude. The little Nephilim creature. Turn on lighting and effects. And then we're going to drag that blood spatter material. There it is. Don't ignore anything currently. I think I want it to be orthographic. Sorry, I'm just reading the chat here. Are you guys debating about whether e-bikes are actually exercise? I would say they are not. My head feels like it's gonna effing pop. I'm sick, guys. Maybe I've got the COVID. Let's drag that in. There we go. All right, so the blood projector isn't showing up anywhere. So let's turn on the gizmo. There we go. And we're gonna point it down. Let's see what we get here. Come on. I'm not seeing anything. Let's figure it out. First off, let's just double check and see how it looks without the lighting. So I don't see anything. So let's go to Unity. This is where we actually need to go to Unity's documentation. We're going to go to our projector Unity, and we're going to take a look and see what the material should be. All right. Hidden projector multiply. Okay. So let's go to hidden. There it is. Multiply. Okay. Any... Still isn't showing up. Hey. Wait. We need to drag it in. There we go. Come on. Where are you? Where are you, my friend? Okay, so I don't see it right there. So that's the cookie. Okay, so I think I need it to be... Goodness, I'm not quite sure. Make sure the texture wrap mode is set to clamp. Turn off border bitmaps. Okay. Go back into... I'm just reading the documentation here. Remove matte. No. Turn on border bitmaps option. We're just going to do default here. Make sure texture wrap mode is set to clamp. Good. Turn on border bitmaps. Good. Use uncompressed texture format. Okay. Alpha is transparency. Does it apply? Whoops. It's not working. Interesting. I always have trouble with this. Every time I do it, I have trouble with it. It's kind of funny. Let's turn this on again. Hit save. Go back into Unity. There it is. Alright, we found it. Let's make it orthographic. That way it's pretty consistent size here, no matter how far away it is. Right? Here we go. Alright. So I believe this should be okay. Now the problem is, we're going to need to have colliders attached to every single body part so that we can have it project on the proper spot, which will be interesting. So it looks like it's not projecting on the enemy here, which is interesting. I don't know why that is. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to have colliders on the entire body, regardless if we're using projectors or not. Huh. Yeah, it's not showing up on our friend here. That kind of sucks. I'm not sure, guys. Yeah, I don't know why it's not showing up on our friend. Let's play and take a look. Over here. Well, let's go ahead and get the animation set up. My brain isn't really working with the projector right now. I'm unsure why. So let's go to our enemy here, double click on him. And it's going to open up Blender. And what we could do is we can animate his actual run animation, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and animate him. Go to pose mode. There we go. So what I do is I actually put animations inside of the timeline. And then I just cut them up inside of Unity. So it's one timeline. So let's go ahead and get the run animation working. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is actually just, well, let's make sure that, okay, cool. So we're keyframing automatically, which is great. So first thing I'm going to do is actually the bounce. I always start with the bounce. Okay. So we're going to put him right here. And he's just going to go up. And then down. The bounce sort of informs everything. Scale this down a little bit. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the, hopefully, we can go to the graph. What is it? Oh, we can do it here. Okay, I see. All right, so let's take a look at this. All right. Let's see here. Good, okay. So let's go to all of our keyframes here. I'm going to collapse them down. And I believe we could take a look. How do I see the actual... Let's see here. I forget how to see the graph. I forgot. How do I do that? View, toggle graph editor. There we go. All right, so as you can see, the Y here, we want it to be broken, okay? So something like this. Well, actually, that's the Z position, but let's make this easing type. How do I make it? Hold on. How do I make this broken? I can't remember. Handle type. Free. There we go. Okay. So guys, why am I doing that? The reason I'm doing that is because I want it to be at the top. I want it to be smooth, and then I want it to stop quickly when it hits the ground. Okay? See that? So it's kind of like a bounce almost. So let's go ahead and select this. And we're going to copy it. And we're going to toggle the graph editor. View. There we go. And then we're going to go to View. Dope sheet. There we go. We're going to select this. And if you can see here, we're going to take this pelvis right here. We're going to copy the keyframes. And paste. It didn't look right. Why doesn't that look right? Hold on. Let's take a look here. Bounce up. I see. We need to go back to the graph editor. And as you can see here, we have some weird, yeah. So this one right here is looking a little bit weird. And I don't know why. What in the world? All right, there we go. So now it looks like he's bouncing, okay? So we're gonna save that. We're gonna go back into Unity. We're gonna take a look at our enemy here. We're gonna go to animation. And we're gonna create a new, I believe it's gonna be called walk. Let's see, let's double check here. Let's go to our enemy. First, let's hit apply. We're gonna go to our walker here. There it is. And yep, it's actually called walking. Okay, so we're gonna create an animation called walking. Let's rename this to walking. Okay. How's everybody doing in the chat? Let's just double check, make sure you guys are happy. Awesome. Good. Yeah, guys, I apologize for being a little bit lower energy today. I haven't been sleeping well. And I'm sick. And also, I just got contacts. I've never had contacts before. They make my eyes, they give me a headache, really. So today is going to be a really chill, sort of low energy day. I'm sorry. But maybe you guys like that. I don't know. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the walk animation. So all you got to do for this animation editor, I believe, is just scrub through. There it is. Good, right here. Good. There we go. And just have him walk. That's all. That's all you got to do. So let's see here. Let's go to our walking. Let's hit apply. And let's see what this animation or this animator controller is. What I mean is this a global animator controller? Because I don't want to mess with the animation of the crawling babies, if you guys remember those. So let's make sure that our animator is set properly here. Okay. Good. Okay, so that's the Walker Animator Override. So we're going to go into that, and now we could just drag the walking animation in here. But we want to make sure it's set to loop, okay? So we're going to turn on loop time and hit apply. This is from Isaac. Isaac Smith, thank you so much for the $10 super chat. Hello, Thomas Precious, someone who wants to be a great video game designer. Do you have any tips on how to get through tutorial hell? Try to understand code. Well, I definitely wouldn't recommend my online course because that would be very cocky of me. But I would recommend a course from Skillshare or Udemy. And honestly, seriously, you could just get Skillshare for free, I think, for like a month. And then just take a C# course, and it'll just take you through step by step. Now, if I were to recommend my course, I would say Use the 40% promo code below. Dude, I need a bang. What is wrong with me today? I said a bang, not two bang. I need a bang. My energy, I could probably fall asleep right now. All right. Good, okay, and there's the walk animation. So let's take a look and see if this actually works, guys. So if it works, he should simply start doing the bounce animation. He is, okay, good. Great. All right, so he's doing his animation. Honestly, that's like half of the work. So now we're gonna go back into Unity, and now that we've got this there we go. Scale it, scale it down a little bit here. So it's just a little bit faster. There we go. Go back into Unity here. We're gonna go to our walking animation. You all right, buddy? Jebby, are you okay, buddy? What's wrong? Jeb? Jebby? You okay? Let's see here. We're gonna go to our walking animation here, and we're gonna shrink it down to about right here. Hey, Rowan, how are you? Good, okay, there's the animation. Let's see if that's fast enough. Let's hit play. Let's hit apply. Get out of here. Let's take a look. Whoa. Why is my head shaking so much? Alright, that looks better. We've got a lot of bugs right now. For some reason my head is shaking wildly. Jeb, are you alright, buddy? Does your butt itch? Yeah. Okay, so let's go back into Blender here. Ooh, Thomas, you go take a nap. I'll probably go take a nap here in about 2 hours. Perks of being a game dev, working from home. Do what you want, right? Okay, so we're gonna start with this leg here. Well, first off, I want to situate him properly, as if he was actually walking. So I'm gonna make it not so crooked. Well, I mean, I do like that crooked look. It's pretty cool. Okay, whatever. So let's go to here, and all we're gonna do is start with this one. And if you can remember, okay, good. Here's the next one. He's gonna come forward. Over here. I never really understand. So up. Ah, yes. Okay. So he comes up, goes down. We're gonna get this, I promise. It always starts bad. Always starts bad. You just kind of gotta guess and check how this animation's gonna look. The thing is a walk animation. For me, I've found that it's the most difficult animation to do, for sure. All right. So it goes up. Maybe not as much. Let's see here. Yep. Okay. Maybe that's the reason my brain feels like it's about to fall asleep because of this music. Let's turn on some lo-fi. Is anybody else just ridiculously tired right now? It's Monday for sure. right. Lift up. Maybe not as much, you know? Okay. All right, so we're just gonna work on the thighs right now. Notice how, guys, I start really simple, really abstract. I start with a bounce, and then I move to the legs. Okay, just the thighs, though. Right here. Okay. And then go to about right here. Paste. Whoops. There we go. Copy this one. Paste it. Good. Okay. So let's save that out. And it's good, at least for me, when I'm working on a walk animation, it's really important to see it in the context of the game. So I'm going back and forth between Blender and Unity often. Come on, buddy. There we go. So we're getting there. Interestingly, we're gonna make so much look better about this walk animation, just with some head bob and some particle effects at the feet. Okay, cool. And then obviously his arms moving and everything. So, okay, so far so good. I know what a lot of you are thinking is, Thomas, this looks horrible. And I would just say, chill. Okay. Here we go. See? Now we're moving on to the calves here. So it's just very subtle. It's one step at a time. I would argue that the fastest way to a good-looking walk animation is by being precise about the process. Starting with the bounce, moving to the thighs, and then moving to the calves. So when I actually walk, that leg, yep, is straight. And then it comes on back right here. There we go. Good. Just move all these back, center them up. Good. Okay. Probably could go a little bit faster. There we go. All right, save that out. Again, we're just gonna go into the game again. Just double check. View your animation in the context as quick or as often as possible, okay? There we go. So far, so good. The bounce is a little much. So we'll probably bring the bounce down once we get all the other animated body parts working. So you'll notice he doesn't start walking soon enough. There we go. Let's move those legs probably closer together. Oh my. That's kind of horrifying. Okay. Look at that. I like it. All right. So let's go back into Blender here, and I'm going to go to front view. It's good to fix this as quick as possible, or as early as possible. I feel like his legs are a little bit too... yeah, they were a little bit too wide. So something like this. There we go. So notice how I'm only, I'm only rotating it in this direction. I'm not changing anything about the previous rotations from the side view. Okay. And the good news is I don't have to worry about this being perfect, because I've done this so many times where I know that it just takes a while to get to the perfect run animation. And oftentimes it's about doing sort of visual tricks to make things look snappier and smoother. It's just have a really slow process here. Okay. There we go. Good. So they kind of look bow-legged, which is interesting. I like that. Is that the word, bow-legged? All right, now let's work on the feet. So remember what we did? We started with his pelvis, moved to the thighs. The pelvis was the bounce. Then we moved to the thighs, just made them do this. And then we started to bend the calves a little bit more, like that. And now we're actually going to worry about his feet. Now, we can't worry about his feet currently because we moved those legs from the front view. We moved them closer together, so what that meant is now his feet are digging into the ground, and we don't want that. So we're going to go back to the pelvis and just shift him up just a little bit. There we go. So that his feet are actually touching the ground. Good. And then we can actually, move to the feet. Let's save that out. Okay. Well, I know that's going to look pretty good, so I'm not worried about it. What I mean is worried about testing it in Unity. So now he's sort of up. Let's see here. So really that should be... The bounce is interesting. I think we might actually not be worried about making him bounce, because I kind of want him to... The bounce really should be up about right there, to be honest with you guys. So let's figure this out together. Okay, this foot here. Let's see. Okay, so that one's going to be like this. And it sort of flips like that. Comes on down here. And then like this. Like that. Good, okay. Okay. All right, let's go back to the pelvis here. Take a look. So straight and then up. It should be really bouncing about right here, to be honest with you guys. So I could be wrong about the bounce now that I'm thinking about it. Let's double check something here. It looks good though, so I don't know if I need to maybe shift it over. I might need to shift it just over. Yeah. That might be it. Up. Down. And then down. Yeah. I think that's what we need to do. I think I just needed to shift the bounce over by a full set of keyframes. Let's double check. Okay, so I think that'll do it. What I want to do is take this, and I'm going to take this as well, copy it, and paste it. Okay, there we go. Now, if you can look, yep, okay, this is right here, so we need to actually go a little bit higher right here, and then down. Yep. So we're trying to make him snug on the green right here. Okay. Here we go. So play. Whoops. Well, it doesn't look good anymore. What happened? Let's hit save here and go to Unity and double check something. It looks pretty good there. Okay, I'm actually not going to worry too much about... Hang on one sec here. What happened? There we go. What is this? His pelvis? I think it is. Okay, let's hit save. Okay, so there's his pelvis here. And you'll notice that we need to go back to the original, or to the final keyframe right here and hit paste. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's go back into Unity and take a look. You'll notice the animation wasn't looping perfectly smoothly. Maybe move it over a little bit. Oh my. Yeah, we're going to need to fix that. So let's take a look. Okay. All right, so let's try that out. We're trying to get a perfectly smooth animation. So you notice he pops up a little bit there. Let's take a look anyway in play mode. Hey buddy, come on over. Come on. Come on. Okay, looking good. We're getting there. All right. He kind of runs like Edward Scissorhands. All right, good. So this here, I don't know what that is, to be honest with you. It's this, I see, it's the knee or something. So let's go ahead and, whoops. Okay, I was wondering what was going on. We were in Action Editor. Okay, let's copy this here. Huh. I just want to see the keyframes. That's interesting. Why is that? View. Yeah, why can't I only want to see the keyframes. Oh well, let's just do this. I'm going to copy these and paste them right here. So now it's perfectly smooth. Okay, save that out and go to Unity, double check. Double check something here. That's interesting how it's not working for some reason. Yeah, I don't know why. Let's double check. Let's I'm gonna copy these and just take a look at 2 of them in a row. Yeah, it should be totally fine. It should be working. Yeah, it should be working. So let's so 100 to 117 is that's all we had to do. 100 and then type 117. Okay, cool. There we go. Okay, so that's pretty smooth. I like it. All right. Now, let's go to 3. which is going to be, let's see here, the side view. I mean 3 on the numpad. Up. Good, okay, so the high up, there we go. Okay, let's go ahead and do his arms. All right, so we kind of, actually, you want to know something that I would probably want to do is just rotate him like this as he's running. I think that might actually work pretty good. So that's his middle spine. So we'll start out, let's see here. If I was running, it's my left, when my left foot's forward, my right shoulder is back, okay? Therefore, he needs to be like this. Okay. There we go. I don't know why my dope sheet looks like this, where everything's a circle. I'm not used to that. I don't know why that is. The keyframes don't look right. Okay, come on, buddy. Let's take a look. Yep, we're getting there. Good, okay. Shoot. Stuck. Oh no. Hey. All right, looks pretty good. I actually really like it, to be honest. It's a little stiff. So what I'm gonna do is see if I can loosen it up a little bit. The way we'll loosen it up is actually through the arms. All right. So this arm here, let's see here. Let's go to side view here. Okay. All right. So it'll be up like this. And then as we go back, forward, and then one more like this. There we go. All right. Same is true for this arm here. A little bit further back, and as we come forward, it'll be like this. And then copy that and just put it right here. Okay. There we go. And I like him running with his hands out like that. That's kind of pretty creepy. I like it. So as he comes forward, kind of want this to swing a little bit, and I'll show you how we're going to do this. Watch this. As it comes forward, you pull it back like this, and then as it comes forward like this, rotates, and then as we go back, we swing back to that position, which is right here. That should look pretty swingy. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Pretty cool. What do you think, guys? Kind of like that. All right, we can do the same with this. Okay. So as we go back, we just sort of swing it. And you just have to be thinking, if this was like a loose limb almost, what would it look like? Okay. So we're going to pull this back to about right here, and then have one that goes right here. Maybe just, there we go. Let's take a look at the front view. All right. Good. Let's save that out. Go to Unity, take a look. The problem is you don't really see him side view ever. So you really got to make sure that he looks great when he's running forward. Good, he does. That's wonderful. Get out of here, mother effer. All right. And, you know, sound is going to make a huge difference, guys. It's going to make a huge difference. And also, little poofs of smoke at his feet, like dust particles. All right. His head is rotated very strangely. So I think I need to figure out what's going on there. I don't know why his head rotates like that when he's running. So what we need to do is, for now, what I want to do is just disable that look script. Remember we had a look script on the walker, guys? We go to his head here. Let's see here. There's a script on his, there it is, his neck. Okay. But now that means the head animation isn't animating properly. If I disable this, what happens? Let's take a look. His head isn't going to properly animate. Okay, I see. Why doesn't he look at the player properly? Okay, I think I know. I have a few ideas. So first off, let's take a look at this here. There's the look at script. So as you guys can see, when we go to the character, he looks at the player properly. But now, okay. Wait, oh, it just, it pops. Why is that? Let's see here. It's so strange. Look at it, look at him, he's confused. There might be an issue with the animator. You might be right with like the, let's see here. Let's see here. We have a head and then we also have middle spine. So you might be right about that. Let's double check. We have this head right here. So let's delete the keyframes. Well, it looks like we don't have any keyframes for the head. So I can't quite figure out why that's happening. Why his head is twisting like that. Yeah, I don't know why. Let's keep messing around with it. See what's going on. Look, he's totally fine. Like this. But the moment I interact with him, there, okay, his head is working, and then it just pops. Look at that. It just pops. I don't know. It's working, and then if you go too far away, no, there we go. Look, now it's popping. Look at that. He's confused. Come on, buddy, what's wrong? The code itself might have issues. Yeah, it could be. Let's take a look here. Yeah, I don't know. Let's take a look at the look script. Let's take a look. Hmm. Yeah, I'm not sure. Is ever anything overriding the animation? Let's double check. Hmm. Go to the walking animation. Hmm. Additive reference pose? I don't know what that means. Hmm. What, Matthew? No, yeah, the look script is overriding the head animation. That's correct. We want we want that. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. No, that's not it. Let's take a look. Let's take a look here. So he's looking at me good. Joe says what Matthew said. No, the head. There is no head animation. The head is not animating. I mean, I guess I could go to the first one over here and take a look here. Okay, so there are no keyframes for the head. I mean, I guess I could delete all of these in the stand animation. Whoa. Well, there goes Blender. Okay, let's take a look here. What is going on? Okay. Let's go to our head here. Yeah, there's no keyframes associated with the head. I guess there are some for this, which is the eyes. We could delete those for now. Take a look, see if that fixes it. So there are no keyframes associated with the head or the eyes. Let's save that out and double check. Let's see here. Got it. Fixed it. Okay, now he's just looking over there. He's getting confused. See that? It's so strange. I'm not quite sure, guys. I am not quite sure. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's kind of frustrating. Come on, buddy. Yeah, I don't know why. Where are you looking over there for, buddy? Okay, let's remove the, here's what we're gonna do. Let's remove the animation completely. Okay? Let's see if that fixes it. Probably will. There's his head. Come on, buddy. Nope, okay. It has nothing to do with the animation. It's something is wrong with our look script. Apply root motion, is that? Wait. Yeah, I don't know. The animator, I removed the animator completely, and it's still having trouble with the look at script. Let's double check something here. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, let's remove all of these two walkers here. And I'm just gonna look at this one. And I'm gonna go to my head. And we're gonna make sure the target is properly applied. Let's see here. Okay, it's set to controller, which is good. Okay. Does it change for some reason? Okay, he's confused again. Yep, he's confused again. The problem is with the quaternion rotations. Why? How so? Is this using lerp or slurp? It's using slurp. Should it be lerp? I have a feeling Arjit is going to give us the answer. No, he doesn't rotate to the side point. Look, guys, we're going to figure this out. How dare you not give me the answer I want? You guys are supposed to make this game for me. Don't you know that? No, the head rotation is totally fine. Look at this. It's totally fine when he's not moving. That's a good question. Does the walker move? Wait. I think I figured it out. Ha! It needs to be parent.transform.position. Parent object.transform.position. Okay? This is going to be a serialized field. Thomas, you win. Again, Thomas wins again. Can we give a round of applause to Thomas for winning? Parent object. All right. You want to know one of the reasons why I'm so frustrated today, guys? I don't like wearing contacts. I'm going to take these out in just a second. I don't like them. I hate them. I'm going to put my glasses on. I can't stand these. No. It's parent object, not parent. Okay? Because I want to be able to choose what the parent object is. Now, we're going to go if parent object is null. Then it's going to equal transform.parent. Okay? Actually, it's just going to be the game object. It's going to be this game object. All right. Thomas wins again. It's always good to win. So we're going to go to our walker here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to the head. And we're going to say, I believe it's this guy that's moving. So we just drag him over. There it is. So that should work. Let's hit play. Contacts and staring at a screen. It's a no-no. I think you might be right. Well, I'm glad I didn't buy a set. I was about to spend like $200 on contacts today. But now I know. Is it gonna work? It doesn't freaking work! No! What? Let's take a look. That's him. Is he in the right spot? He is. That's right, Mini Tom. All right, Adam, what are you thinking, buddy? Clamp to 89 instead of 90? Okay. We're just gonna keep trying new things, guys. Rafe. All right, here we go. All right. All right. I'm going to copy this script from Arjit. I had a feeling he was going to solve our problem, and I bet you this will do it. So what is it? What are we doing here? Let's take a look. I told you guys, anytime I have anytime I'm working with trig or rotation or anything like that, I just rely on you guys. What? Yeah, but what's the new rotation? Define it as what? What are you talking about, Arjit? You said define the new rotation. What do you mean? Have I tried unplugging it and plugging it back in? What do you mean, Arjit? Let's take a look here. Well, this would be damping. Not damming, damping. What's this? Is that just this? Yeah, I don't know. I guess we could try that. We'll see. I have no idea. Felipe Morales says, Thomas, I thought you knew this stuff. Do you not teach this in the course? Anything related to trig, guys, I just literally Google it and paste it in my scripts. And I teach how to do that in my course. That's game dev, like 100%. But 3D game dev is something I'm working on and learning right now. My buddy David Whaley teaches the 3D portion of my online course. Public float, new rotation. Okay. Like that. No, it would be vector 3. No, it'd be a quaternion. What are we defining new rotation as, guys? Okay. Sure, we could try that. Whoops. There we go. So you're saying just replace it with that? Okay, we could try that. I don't understand. Like, I can't figure out why it matters that he's moving. That's the thing. There's like no animation associated with it, so. Look at my head bobbing. It's so weird. Okay. Okay. Let's see if he gets confused when we hit play here. He looks confused still. Yeah, he's still confused. He's still confused. But we can speed it up, I mean, so that we can get a good idea of what's going on. This needs to be like we could do, let's see here. Let's make his head damping like 1. We'll figure it out, guys. Okay, it needs to be faster, obviously. So 100. All right, let's take a look. There he is. He's looking at me. All right, follow me, buddy. Yep, now his head is just completely jacked. Huh. Look at that. What the heck? What is going on? That is so creepy. What are you doing, dude? Okay, let's double check and see if Adam is correct here. Adam's theory is that even though the animator component here is completely disabled, see, that doesn't make any sense to me, Adam. There's no animation associated with this. There's no animation associated with this. So I don't understand how that's correct. There's no animation on this at all. It's completely disabled. So what's, you see what I'm saying? Is there another player? Let's see here. No. Look, it's getting defined there. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe we do need to do local rotation. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe it needs to be local rotation. Let's try it out. I don't know. All right, let's try that. All right, let's take a look at our buddy here and see what's going on. Look at that. Look. Now he's completely confused. Look at this. Now he's like completely confused. What the heck? What is happening? Hang on. No, this is so difficult to understand what's going on here. It's not the local rotation, guys. Yeah. I couldn't tell you what's going on. I have no idea. Transform dot forward instead of vector 3 dot forward. Oh. Maybe. That might be it. That might be very well what it is. I think you might be right. Could be. That could be it. Although, no, I just figured it out. This needs to be local rotation. Wait, what? No. Wrong. Okay. So you were saying this needs to be transformed up forward. Well, that might be it. Let's do this together, guys. Hello? Look at his head. Look at him. He's spazzing. What is happening? Okay, we're going to go back in time here. I'm just hoping one of you will figure this out for me. Oh my word. What a great, every day I always feel so guilty for not like making progress while doing this live for you guys. But hopefully you can understand this is how it goes. It's just a part of the process. Getting things to work. All right, let's make sure going back in time fixes this. Okay, he's looking at me. He's looking at me. Now let's rotate him. I'm going to rotate him and see what's going on. See if that if that screws things up. Okay. It screwed it up. Okay. So there is an issue. I got it. There is an issue with something going on here. Okay, I figured it out. The initial rotation. Okay, so I figured it out slightly. It's not related to the animator. It's just related to this stupid look script. And I feel like I just want to go find another one. Which is probably what I'm going to do. Let's see here. There's something wrong here. Okay, ST, did you figure it out? What? What? Okay, hold on. No, Adam, it has nothing to do with the animation. It has nothing to do with the animation because I just broke it by simply rotating him. Okay. What are you saying, ST? Transformed out rotation equals quaternion Euler. We could try that. Let's try it. I'm trying to remember who did this one. This is from ST, so we're gonna take a look at ST here. What's going on here? Hold on. All right, ST, let's take a look. What's going on here? What's happening? Hang on. All right, ST, let's see if this works. I mean, Adam, you could be right. I don't want to be that way. You could be right. I'll be honest, I don't know what you're talking about. So if you could tell me what you want me to do, I'll do it. And we'll take a look. Okay, so we have a really wackadoodle head currently. What? That's wonderful. Although I will say, we are very close to getting it working. Because you'll notice that we're not getting that snap. Well, no. Yeah, we're not getting that snap effect, so that's good. Okay, so that's... It is creepier. Adam says remove the script, turn on the animation, use animation rigging to control the head. What does that mean? I'm sure you're right, but what do you mean? What is animation rigging? Align train. What does that mean? Yeah, I don't know what you mean. Yeah, Adam, I'm gonna give your solution a try. It'll solve all of our riddles. It's in the package manager, but I have it right here. It's right here. So I don't know what you're talking about. This has been a wonderful day so far. I just want him to look at the player. That's all I want. Unity 3D head look. Let's take a look at your chat here. Adam, you sent me a video. To where? This is taking forever. For some reason, it's... I've never had this problem before. I did this in my previous 3D game. Unity, look at transform. Transform.lookat. We're going to try this very simplistic script here. Okay. We're going to try this first. Okay. We're going to try that. Oh, man. Let's hit play and see what's going to happen here. Anything related to 3D objects rotation, I don't ever. Good. Okay. Let's see if it breaks. It doesn't. Adam, by the way, something I should have mentioned to you, buddy, is we've removed the head from the animation completely. So it's not even associated with the animation at all. But anyway, there we go. Okay. I like that. Now we need to do look at with limits. Unity, transform, look at with limits. Good. We could try this. We could try this. Let's see. I'm just Googling a bunch of solutions, guys. Okay. Alright. So I think that's it's an old script. I'm not going to use that one. Limit angle of transform look at. Ugh. So I think I just found the same script I had copied previously. Well, no. Okay. This is going to be transform. There we go. There we go. And this is going to be a transformed up position. Okay. Those should be fine. Okay, let's try this. And I want this to be -90 and then +90. Guys, it could be that it's just something wrong with the script. Unless Adam's correct and it has to do with the animation rigging. But we're going to double check something here. Okay. So that's creepy. Mother. We're going to keep trying. We're going to get this, guys. What a great day. Okay. Let's try this. I'm just copying a bunch of scripts, guys. That's all I'm doing. Okay. We're going to get this. All right. Target at position minus transformed at position. Good, good, good. Okay. Now. Okay. We're going to try that. Let's see if that works. Okay, he's looking at me. Whoa. What is your deal, bro? What are you looking at? goodness. Oh my word. This is hard. It's really hard, actually. I thought this was gonna, I mean, I know it's not hard. I know it's just because I'm stupid. So. The script I had before will work. You just set the wrong variable. What do you mean? This one here? Are you saying this one? What variable did I set wrong? I did. I did, huh? Show me. Oh, yeah. I think you're right. Ah, crap. I had it. I think you're right. Well, let's go find it. The script I had before will work. I just had the wrong one. Okay. I think you're okay. Okay, I found that one on let's see here. Okay, I think I found it on Reddit. Sorry, guys. Crazy how this is really I didn't expect it to. Yeah. I didn't expect it to freeze me up like this. Okay, there was a script that was working. I think you're right. I just set it wrong. So let's just go through every single script on Google here, find the right one. Yeah, for some reason my edit undo stopped working. So let's keep going down the line here. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. Unity, look at rotation limit. Restricting transform.look at. That's not gonna do it. Okay, I found it. So you're saying this needs to be target? Is that what you were saying? You were saying it was gonna work and I just put in the wrong variable? Okay. Well, we'll see. Okay, let's take a look. Go to Unity here, hit play. Yeah, I told you guys I'm tired and not feeling great today, so that's my excuse for being a moron. He's looking at me. He's limited. All right. Nope. Son of a bee. What in the world? Okay, I'm getting frustrated now. I like it. I like being frustrated. I feel great. I'm really enjoying myself. And then this needs to be parent object. Yeah. Okay. I guess. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I can't even get it to work as if it didn't even have an animation. That's why I'm frustrated. It doesn't even work. Assuming, like, I could literally go, why is this so hard for me? I feel like I need to go take a nap. Like, what's happening? So let's just test this out. I should be able to get this look at script to work for this cube. Okay? If I can get it to work for this effing cube. If I can't, then I'm just a moron, officially. How many times have I done this in my life? And I can't do this today. Something's wrong with me today. All right. Damping 25. The target's going to be the player. It's like, this should do it just fine. This script should work just fine. So, pretty annoying. Go to Unity here. Okay, there's our little cube over here. Hey, buddy, why aren't you looking at me? What? Okay, good. Look at that, guys. Look at him being weird. He's a strange boy. What's going on? That is so strange. Oh, I don't know what's going on. I do know this. It's not facing the right direction. Does it play here? Okay, hey buddy. Look at that. Okay. So we've got just a position issue. Something's wrong with it. Should always point at the player no matter what. And once I get to a certain location, then it gets screwed up. So there's something going on with the actual... Okay. There's something going on with the position here. Let's take a look. Wait, what? Let's see here. Is it just because it's clamped? I think you're right. Okay, yeah, it's because it's clamped. That's right. Okay, it works. So it works just fine. So it's clamped. That makes sense. So the next step is to double check the... You're right. You are right. Sorry, I'm not thinking today. Now the next step is to double check it parented. Okay. Good. And then if I move it, say I move this game object here. Maybe rotate that. It should still point at me. Okay, now he's confused. Well, no. Yeah, he's clamped. Good. Okay, so no matter what I do to the parent rotation, it doesn't matter. Okay. Good, okay. What if I move you around, bud? Whoops. Where'd you go? Where'd he go? There he is. Okay. Alright, doesn't matter. Nothing matters. Okay, he's always following me no matter what. That's good, okay. So that works just fine. And that has how strange. We don't want that. That's wrong. Okay. So if we look at the lookout script here, the parent is itself, which is interesting. So let's go to the actual enemy here. Where's our boy? Okay. There is our walker. Let's move him over here. Let's go to his head. All right, the parent object, I mean, I guess it seemed to work if it was itself. I know I'm doing this wrong. Hold on. Okay, there he is. He's looking at me, being a weirdo. And then if I hit this, okay, now he's screwed up. Okay. All right, so let's go to Adam's solution. Adam, you mentioned earlier. No, that's not the problem. Adam, you mentioned you sent me something. Let's take a look at what Adam sent me. Let's figure out what's going on. Yeah, okay. Adam, did you I guess you just emailed my email address on my. No, yeah, I'm not seeing anything, Adam. All right, guys, I'm about to give up. No, it's not the clamp. Beautiful, wonderful day. Yeah. Let's do this. Let's take this. I'm going to take this. I'm going to bring it inside of our character here. And we're going to see what happens. Okay? This is going to be interesting. Because if it breaks, then we know it's officially the script. If it doesn't break, well, then we know it's associated with the animation, like Adam was saying. Even though there's no... That's what's so frustrating. There's no animation. That's what's frustrating. There's no animation on this walker. So I'm going to put this right here. And I'm going to face it like this. All right, there he is. Okay. So the moment he starts following me, let's see if it breaks. I figured it out. Okay. It's clamping to the world rotation, guys. It's not clamping to the local. That's what's going on. Yeah, it's clamp. Thomas, you stupid person. If we turn off the clamp, we're not going to see a problem. Okay? So, I guess, what's your face? Who was that? Arjeet? Yeah, you mentioned that it's reaching the end point of the clamp. But the clamp is... If I turn off this clamp... I don't know what angle axis means. But let's not clamp it. Okay? If we don't clamp it, I bet you it's going to fix the problem. Okay? It's clamping it to the world rotation, not the local. Does that make sense? So, we need to figure out what the heck is going on here. I think I've got it. So, essentially what's happening, guys, if you've told me this the entire time, I apologize. What's happening is, it works just fine here, but it starts to clamp when he rotates. Okay, let's see here. Hold on. Okay, so I fixed it. So the problem is the clamp. The problem is the clamp. So we need to figure out how to clamp the local rotation and not the world rotation. Does that make sense? Okay, good. Now, a lot of you are asking me, Thomas, why are we rotating his head? His body is rotating. It's because I want them to look at the player at all times. So it's we're spending all this time trying to get this in all. The only thing I'm trying to do here is I just want him to look at the player even when he's not facing the player. I want his head to follow the player. All right. Use clamp 01. All right. We're going to use whatever you guys are saying. Clamp 01. What is clamp 01? Clamp's value between 0 and 1. So what? It'd be negative 0.25? Is that it? Is that what it is? I don't know what that is. Clamp 01. Not clamp 01. So we got an issue with our... It's something to do with this global rotation. Initial rotation equals transformed at rotation. So let's see here. I don't know what's going on. I have no clue. Clamp it to an offset from parent.local rotation. Okay, there you go. Parent object dot local rotation minus 90. Okay, I think that'll do it. I think you're right. Let's see here. Parent object dot transform dot local rotation. Is that what you're saying? Something like that. And then it's oh man, how do we do this? It needs to be an offset from the parent. I see what you're saying. Why can't it just be transformed at local rotation? That's what I'm so confused by. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see here. Why have a clamp? His head can just rotate around completely. Yeah, we already worked with look rotation, or look at, and we can't clamp look at. Look at doesn't have a clamp, so we need to figure out how to get this. Oh man, negative 90 and 90. Okay, Nathan, we were right. How so? Okay, it needs to be dot y. Is that what you're saying? So I think what you're saying is parent object dot transform dot local rotation dot y minus 90. Is that what you're saying? Yeah, I don't think we can do that. Wait, hold on. Did that work? I feel like such a moron. I'm gonna definitely end this stream and go cry. I feel like such a stupid person. But it's okay. See, a lot of people, when they feel dumb, they go, well, I guess I shouldn't make games. But the way my brain works is I go, I'm so stupid. Well, now I know. Now I know what I did wrong. And I'm learning. And then I can know better next time. Okay. So far, so good. Did this work? Nathan, you're going to get a huge shout out, bro. Nathan, you know what you're going to get? If this works, Nathan's going to get... I'll tell you if it works. Come on, please, God. Lord God, please, if you're there, fix it. Now. Here we go. Wait. Son of a bee. I don't know what to do. The parent needs to be set. Okay, who is it? Who said that? Nathan. Nathan, you're the man. Okay, I think Nathan's right here. No, it is set. Wait, no, it's not. It's not set. Please tell me it's not set. No. Nathan, it's set. It's set, man. Look, it's set. It's set right there. One Abba man says he's watching my free training right now. That's awesome. Hope it's helpful. Yeah. Navid, God decided not to help me. I agree. No, that's not it. Try changing rotation to local rotation. You missed one inside the slurp call. Let's take a look. No, I'm not using local rotation at all. I mean, we could try that, but I have no idea. I honestly, at this point, my brain is so fried by what I'm looking at. It really should be parent.transform.rotation. Is that, you think that's right, Nathan? It's set in the instance, I believe. Oh, you might be right, Nathan. Nathan, you might be right. Let's take a look. So stupid. Why is this guy selling online training? Who is this moron? Nathan wins. Nathan is right. Nathan, if you get, dude, if you give me this, if this works, I'm gonna be so happy. Lord, if you're there, can you make this work? Please, God. Please, Lord. No! Why? Ignited says, Lord, if this works, I will build 3 churches in your name. You forgot to remove the other parent object.transform.y. Oh. Let's take a look here. Or I forgot to add it. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's try again. Can everybody say a quick prayer to the Lord? Here we go. Lord. If you get this to work, I shall bless Nathan. Okay, let's go. I'm like sneaking up to him because I don't want him to break. Okay, let's see here. Okay, my heart's racing. Come on, buddy. You got this. You'll be able. No! No! Try it with parent. Oh, wait. You might be right. Try it with parent.transform.rotation. Not local rotation. Rotation. Try removing the parent object.transform.y entirely. No, because that's what it was. Son of a bee. Connor says this is painful. All right, come on, buddy. Let's go. We got this. Nope, still broken. All right. Try changing rotation to set object in rotation. What? No. This has got to be... I'm so stupid. I wish I understood this stuff. I really do. I wish I understood it. Nathan, yeah, it seems like that should be correct. But it's not. All right, guys, we're going to figure this out. What's happening is it's referencing a global clamp, all right? It's clamping to the global rotation. So, we're getting an issue here. What we're trying to do is we're going to figure this out, guys. We're trying to figure out why the parent object rotation, I can't even talk anymore. Use Euler angles instead of quaternion. Why? Try Euler or Euler. Sorry, guys. I know I'm embarrassing myself today, but whatever. Rotation at Euler angles? Okay. Really? Okay, we can try that. I don't know why, guys. I don't know why that would do anything, but we're going to try it. The thing is what's frustrating is it works. It's referencing a global rotation. I can't explain it. It works fine right now. Okay. Yeah, that just broke it. So we're gonna figure this out, I promise. Okay. Parent object that transformed. Wait. I don't know if the Y rotation of the parent is actually changing. Double check something. It might be. Let's go get him. Come here, buddy. All right. Let's go collect him. Okay, there he is. All right. I'm about to give up. It says, wait, somebody said you are setting the local rotation. I am? Transform.rotation. I mean, we could try that. I mean, we tried this like an hour ago. So that's why I'm like giving up on it. I'm like, well, I'm giving up on it because it didn't work earlier, you know? So let's try that. The clamp is referencing a global number. That's the problem. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Okay, let's collect him and see what's going on. And then we're going to remove this. We're going to try that whole stupid local rotation. I don't know why it's being multiplied by the initial rotation. I couldn't tell you. It's a good question. Let's try that out. Bro, look at me. This is so dumb. Yeah, I don't know why we're multiplying times an initial rotation. I'm gonna just give up. That's about probably what I'm gonna do here. Just gonna give up on the whole idea of him looking at the player. That's probably what I'm gonna do. Clamp 3270. This is from Tuckmac. We'll try it. Thank you, Tuckmac, for the donation. That means a lot. Okay, our buddy is just completely confused now. He won't look at me. But let's double check something here. Okay, so Tuckmac, what you're saying is transform as a circle, so do clamp 3270. I don't know if that's gonna do it, but I'm happy to take a look. If you're gonna give me $5 to take a look, I'm gonna take a look. Well, I'm pretty sure I lost a lot of credibility during this one here. Yeah, I don't know why that happened. Ah, that's why. The initial rotation should be transformed at local rotation. Okay. We're just going to try everything out, and it's eventually going to work. This is just game dev for you guys. Buddy, what are you doing? He's so confused. What are you doing, dude? All right, guys. We're going to remove the head script here. No, I'm going to figure it out. I'm going to figure this out. I will not. I'm not going to do that. We're going to figure it out. I'm not going to be able to sleep if I don't figure this out. Okay, Matt. What you mean, bro? Check the numbers of the y-axis? What do you mean? All right, let's get it back to where it was, okay? All right, there we go. This works great as long as... We're going to figure this out together, guys. This works great as long as he's not moving. The moment he starts to move, he's suddenly clamping at the wrong angle. Because the clamp is looking... Negative 90 and 90 is a global clamp. Hold on. Change angle axis to Euler angles. Why? Now I'm getting errors. Float X, float Y, and float Z. Okay. I don't know why you're saying that, but okay. I don't know why you're saying that. So like that? Is that what you mean? All right, Kami Games gave us something here. Let's double check this really quick. I'm officially sick, by the way. I've got something today. Definitely got a fever. Yay! Okay, so we got a problem. It's not working at all. So that wasn't the problem. Let's double check something here. I'm gonna go all the way back in time. Because I don't know why we're getting an issue. Wait. Tommy says, remove the setting rotation lines and use transformed at forward. Well, let's just get it to work first, because it's broken again. Like, completely broken. I have no idea what's going on. Okay, he's looking at me. Okay, he's good. All right, he looks at me. That's great. So, what were you saying? Tug Mac, we already did that. We added an extra bone. It's right here. Or, no, we didn't, but I don't want to do that. Remove the setting rotation lines and use transform.forward. So you're saying this? We could try that. I'm waiting for Music Life to tell me the answer to the, at this point we're just trying to figure out the meaning of life. That's how complicated this is. But really, guys, I'm gonna sit here and tell you, this is not complicated. Like, I'm sure somebody could come in the chat right now and go, Thomas, this is the problem. But that's not me. See this? The art is what I do. I don't do the code. Well, now there's no clamp. We need a clamp. Remove initial rotation from everywhere. Okay. That could be the answer. And this is part of the problem with just snagging scripts offline, guys. You don't really know what they're doing anyway. So, you might be right here. Remove initial rotation from everywhere. Let's get the slurp working. There we go. Yeah, Tony, I have a programmer, but I hire programmers on a freelance basis. So I purchase like code, and then I'm like, okay, I'm good. All right, the initial rotation. Okay, now he's just confused. Okay, he's following me. Okay, okay. So good. So far, so good. Let's try this out. All I want is the behavior. Okay, it's not consistent. It's not consistent. F. Yeah, it's not consistent, so that didn't do it. Let me think here. Wait. We're gonna try something really quick. Transform dot parent object. No, it's just parent object dot transform dot, was it Euler angles? Dot y minus 90. And then this one was plus 90. We're gonna try this really quick. We're gonna try this really quick. One sec. Let's hit play. I just want consistent behavior. That's all I want. If we can get consistent behavior. Stupid head. All right. Try rotation. At this point, guys, I'm just gonna have fun. I don't care what I'm doing here. Hey, buddy. Okay, he's looking at me. So the clamps are... Okay, if we can get consistent behavior, that means it works. Okay, we're not getting consistent behavior. Okay. So he's still screwy. Alright, still screwy. I think you might be right about the initial rotation. I think it needs to be transform dot. It needs to be the transform dot rotation. I think you might be right there. Yeah, it's like that initial rotation. You're right. It's like we don't. Why does that exist? I don't know. You know. So let's try that. Just put the initial rotation in the update. That's an interesting idea. This could be it, guys. I think we got it. Okay, we're not getting a clamp value because the clamp is based on... I don't understand. Look at that. Look at him. He's shaking like crazy. He's pissed. So we're not getting a clamp value. So the clamp isn't working at all. I wonder why that is. Yo, like, oh man. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. The reason I don't know is because I don't know anything about rotation or Unity's. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm about to just stop the stream. Because that's life. That's life. Hey, buddy. Okay. All right. Oh, yeah. It could be... No, I don't know. Oh, well. I really want to figure it out. Turning it on and off. I need to clamp the parent's rotation? What do you mean? Okay, that's a good... I hear you. You're saying something. Clamp the parent's rotation? That's what we're doing, official hybrid. I know. I agree, Matt. And Matt, you're right. Matt says the clamps are always clamping between -90, and you need to rotate that based on your character's forward position. I agree. We've done that though, and it didn't work. We did parent object dot transform dot rotation dot y minus 90. We did that. See, that's why I'm like, we're so close. We've done that. We've already done that, and it's not working. I know what's happening though. I don't even need to debug. I know what's happening. It's clamping based on the transform dot forward. But buddy, just die. Inside the clamp, you need to use Euler. Or Euler. Right? Or do I need to do local? Who knows, man? Use Simply Piano to solve your problem. What? Savage says, it's not the parent, just put... We already did this, by the way, but we're going to do it to be extra sure. We're going to say initial rotation equals transform dot rotation. Okay? We're going to do that. But I already did this. I just changed it to... I removed initial rotation. See, now we just have a completely rotating head. There's no clamping. You know what I mean? So now we can't clamp. All right, RJ, this should work. Do this. This is from Nathan. Rotation equals rotation dot Euler angles. Okay, let's try that. I don't think we can do that. We could try it. How do you do that? Quaternion dot Euler. Yeah, I don't know why that's not working, Nathan. I told you guys I don't know anything about this stuff. What? This is so stupid. Okay. Psycho. We're gonna try psychos here. Initial rotation equals parent object at transformed at rotation. We could try that. We could try that. I have a feeling that might work. In a weird way. Let's try that out. Some of you are asking for Band-Aid solutions here. Some of you are saying, well, just turn it off when he chases you. And I don't want to do that because I want it to work. I just want it to work. Come here, buddy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait. It's working. Who was that? Psycho. Psycho? Hang on. Psycho just got it to work for us. Wait. Let's try this one more time. Psycho? Hang on, Psycho. Don't leave the chat. I'm skeptical. There is a God. Thank you, Psycho. Psycho, you just won a free, and Nathan as well. Nathan and Psycho, you guys both just won a free online course valued at $600. I need you guys to prove, Psycho and Nathan, I need you guys to prove who you are. Figure out a way to prove it and send me an email and I will send you a free course. Woo! Can we give a round of applause to Psycho and Nathan? You guys are awesome. That is so... I don't even know what that did. Really, all it needs to be is this. I'm not changing anything. Don't change anything, Thomas. I don't know what it did. We're multiplying times the parent rotation for some reason. Don't ask me why. Tim Allen says, I was praying. Thanks, Tim Allen. Enrique says, put it on your resume. You helped ensure Thomas's you helped ensure Thomas stopped embarrassing himself. All right, now the next test is, let's get back to what we originally planned on doing for today. My goodness. I might take a break and take these effing contacts out because I don't like them. Today has been the dumbest day, but it's also the greatest day on earth because what I just did is I just powered through, honestly feeling very embarrassed for the last hour and a half. I powered through and my skin is that much thicker, and that's a good thing. And also, we all learned together that, let's be honest, game dev is about powering through feeling stupid. Because guys, now you know, you can make a game, 2 commercial releases like me, and have them on every platform, and be bringing in enough income, more than enough income, to be a full-time game developer, and you can still be a moron. And that is what I try and teach all of you as often as I can. So, yeah, there we go. All right, good. You know what's funny is today we've had more viewers than typical. Yet, in my opinion, this has been the most boring live stream. So I don't get it. All right, let's go ahead and jump to. I'm gonna turn off the music for a sec. I need to just sit and get my bearings here. All right, let's go to this stupid enemy here, this naked guy. And what's his name? Billy. Billy, you have given me such a rough go of it today. You need to listen to your daddy, Do what your daddy says. Don't look at me like that. Do what I say. All right, let's turn the animator back on. Now, listen, if the animator being turned back on ruins this, I might end up just shutting the stream off for the next year in frustration. All right, Billy, come here, buddy. You okay? Just do what I said. Just follow me. Good. Good. Just look at the gun. All right. Now come here. Come here. Come on, buddy. Oh, Billy. Good boy. You are doing so good. Come on. Come on. All right. We got it working. Well, let's be honest. You got it working. Thank you, guys. All right. All right, so let's see if it works with multiple. Let's hit apply all, and let's see if it works with multiple prefabs here. If it does, we're set to continue animating, and we're going to add particle effects to his feet. We're going to add sound effects, all that cool stuff. Hey, guys. Woo, there you go. Come on, come on. Ah! All right. Cool. All right, so you can notice he's hovering above the ground, so we need to fix the animation there. Let's get up multiple guys chasing me. Come on, buddy. Come on, guys. There's another one over here. There they go. Come on, buddy. Good, guys. It works. Alrighty. Good job, Nathan. And who was the other guy? And a lot of you are saying, Thomas, how do you know it was a guy? Because 100% of my viewers are guys. I don't know why. I looked at YouTube, the data. Psycho, that's right. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this stream. I'm going to be back in probably 15 minutes. I need to get some coffee. I need to take these effing contacts out of my eyes. I need to recoup, maybe do some meditation, do some Wim Hof breathing. And I'm going to be back, and we're going to get this animation looking perfect, okay? I will see you then. Okay, guys? Thank you so much. I will be back in 30 minutes.